uncomfortable and a little sweaty right now because this really is my dentist. And I just found out, among other things, I've been mispronouncing his name for a while. This is Dr. Guido Sarnacchiaro, and he's as gorgeous as his name is long. He's a lovely person. I'm still here with my friend, Curtis Stone, and here's the truth of it. In our family, my husband is probably his favorite patient. I am his least favorite patient.
It's so overwhelming to go to this place and just buy brushes. There are so many different types. Big heads, compact heads, bristles, soft, extra soft,
extra
hard,
firm,
medium.
Right. So and then you have the whole water cleaning systems.
The most important thing is to pick the toothbrush that is going to fit your needs and actually is going to reach areas that you cannot reach with, for example, a bigger head. Mm-hmm. So you get into those compact areas, for example, that all the way in the back of the mouth, and I can open these. Some have flexible handles. The consistency of the bristles, extra soft or soft. We don't want to go into hard or medium because you can hurt your teeth and your gums. Okay, so important. Also, always look for the American Dental Association
for
stamp.
The seal.
Yeah, it's very, very important.
Where do you fall on whether or not you should, like my husband and I have the kind that goes,
I was about to get there.
Yeah.
So you have mechanical or electric. The electric, important. The ones that are designed for the purpose, not the ones that you just put the AA batteries, okay? Those are the ones that are rechargeable.
That's right.
They're timed, so you know that you have to spend your 2 minutes.
It is, it's 2 full minutes.
Which is great, and they kind of like do the job for you. So they're actually
it's good for lazy people like me.
They're actually very good.
But you do think those are okay?
They are actually excellent. Actually, we strongly recommend those.
Yeah.